of the Hooters in Las Vegas. You know what? This isn't called Hooters anymore. This is called the OYO now. You got your scribbled on windows. And, yeah. We are on floor 17. We are staying at the OYO Hotel in room 1741. We are in the Oceanview Tower here. I want to show you right here. There's a big like separation from the door, so it's kind of a sketchy. You have some closets on to your left. They don't slide very easily. You have 2 luggage racks in here. Your safe is in here. I did not use that, so I didn't check to see if it works. You have an ironing board, hangers, an iron. You come in and there is a lovely mirror on your right. So you have 2 mirrors from your closet and a big mirror on your right. So mirror cities. We got the 2 queen. Premium strip view. We paid an extra $15 per night for the premium strip view. The beds were not comfortable. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'll be honest, they're not comfy at all. The bedding, standard Motel 6 type bedding. Furnishings, you know, not bad as far as, you know, just your standard OYO. Old hotel. The one good bonus is during the winter time, you can get a cool breeze with that little tiny crack. It's got a great view though of Mandalay Bay, Tropicana, Excalibur, New York, New York, and MGM Grand. You can even see the city center and Aria from here. Great little room. And over on this side, you get a microwave, which is a very nice touch for a room. Your ice bucket, little coffee maker machine, the little mini one where you just pop the thing in. And look, bonus, comes with a big size fridge. We have some leftovers in there, but a good size fridge. These are like little kitchenettes almost with that little microwave, so that really helps a lot. You got a decent sized TV. The TV worked great. You got these little cabinets down here, and they've got some old Hooters touches on here. Love these little hoot hoot. And then down here is some cute little storage. So, you know, if you were staying here for a while, this wouldn't be a bad room. You have some chairs, cute little retro table, and a lamp, and some retro art. That's very nice. Little room. So very nice. You have a super old AC that sounds like, I don't know, it's very, very noisy. It wasn't as cool as I liked. 65 was as low as it went, but I don't think it's 65. I feel like it's around like 69. Pretty warm in here. And then we're getting ready to check out. So the bathroom is very standard. Got your sink, a large mirror, decent lighting. You got a hair dryer. The shower is something to be desired. They didn't fill up as bad as the last time, probably because they have the low flow shower heads on. Soaps, shampoos. Yeah, this is your bathtub. It's not very nice. It's pretty gross. It's not like gross, so there's no mold. For Hooters, I'm going to say it's okay. Has this little ledge over here to put your stuff, but I definitely would not take a soak in that bathtub. Definitely not. Definitely a great little room. We paid $77 a night, Friday and Saturday night, which was an incredible deal. We found this on the Hooters website, and you got to dig really deep for it. It's called a Park and Play promotion. And it also gives you it gives you 30% off your rate. It also gives you half off of the resort fee, which is $40 a night. So we got the resort fee for $20 a night. So really good deal here at Oyo. Not the best conditions, but I have to say that I would stay here again, most definitely. If you have enjoyed this room review, look how close that helicopter is. Look at him, he's right there. Right outside my window. If you've enjoyed this room review, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new, subscribe. We'd love to have you join the Vegas to Cali family. Check out my room review playlist, linked in the description below. This has been room 1741 in the Oceanview Tower at the Oyo Hotel and Casino, formerly Hooters. They have AC while you wait for your elevators, because the elevators here are pretty dang slow. The elevators are kind of sketchy in here. If you don't know where to eat, just wing it. Hooters. We had Hooters last night. Oh, I'm not on the first floor. I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. So we had the wings last night and they were straight up disgusting. So that was disappointing. One of those. My grandmother, when I was a little girl, she used to send me a postcard every time she went to Vegas. She went to Vegas every 3 months. And I have the most awesome postcard collection from her. I miss her so much. There's some cool stickers we want in here. I know there's one on here, little Cali ones. I have to pick her that up. We almost broke stuff, but thank God we did not. Whew.
Hello.
Hi. Sorry.
Yeah, just be careful.
Yeah, I know. Thank God.
It'd be unfortunate if we had to buy all.
Right. Nice little store. We'll get on out of here before we break something. It's our Wheel of Fortune room. It's your entrance. Your box office. Your non-existent bell desk. They'll lend you what do you call it? This is your registration desk. The girls that work there are so super nice. They have a winner's wall. They got a great assortment of table games. Some more restrooms down there. Here's the casino host office. You got your William Hill Sportsbook. You can get a free vacation from this nice gentleman. ATM. This is your little bar, sportsbook type bar. You can watch sports. I think it's called Underground. And then this is your William Hill Sportsbook. small but efficient.